Jesus saying you got the tail of the mic squirt.
Yes. All right, guys. So does anybody know what we have here? A steak. Okay. Don't worry. This is a man eating steak. You're a woman. Okay, guys. This is an albino Burmese python, guys. These guys were native to Southeast Asia. Okay. Now these guys are non-venomous. And how do you know that? Because their guests are holding it. All right? Now, these guys grow about 16 to 20 feet, beating the world record at 23 feet. Now, these guys are constrictors, okay? What they do is they bite their prey, they wrap around it, and they give it a squeeze of death, and they suffocate it. After that, what they do is they unhinge their jaws, and they can open it up about 5 to 10 times the size of their head.
Wait. Back up. Like 5 to 10 times.
Yes.
Something like that.
I mean, that big, and they eat it whole.
Can I see your baby real quick?
Yeah, wait, what? Yeah. No, James is not that kind of show, okay? Move forward and smile at the camera, guys.